In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cinema 4D's Dressomatic to fit clothing to a character. We're going to take a clothing mesh and have it conform neatly to a body model using Cinema 4D's Dressomatic workflow. By the end, you'll understand what each step is doing and why it matters, so you can get predictable, clean results. Start by creating or importing your 3D character in a clothing mesh. The clothing should already be modeled into a basic garment shape. Think of it like a flat, unstitched piece that roughly follows the silhouette of the body. Aim for sufficient polygon density. Too few polygons and the cloth can't bend or drape smoothly. Too many and it becomes slow and harder to control. Evenly spaced quads are ideal. Keep the mesh clean with no stray points or overlapping geometry. If your model has sleeves or pant legs, make sure openings are clear and there aren't gaps in the surface that would confuse the solver. Next, tell Cinema 4D which object is the cloth and which is the thing it should collide with. Select the clothing object and add a cloth tag. This tag gives the mesh the behavior it needs to simulate fabric. Then select the body model and add a collider tag. The collider simply says, "Don't let the cloth pass through here." Naming your objects clearly will help you keep track of which is which, especially in complex scenes. With the tags in place, open the cloth tag and switch to dresser mode. This is where you define the garment seams using the set seam pulleys function. Seams are the lines where the cloth will be brought together and stitched during the dressing process. Carefully select the polygon rows or borders that correspond to the edges you want to meet. Think of matching the left and right sides of a shirt opening or the inner edges of a sleeve. Keep your selections neat and consistent so Dressomatic knows exactly how to pair them. Once your seams are defined, press the Dressomatic button. Cinema 4D will pull the selected seam areas together and wrap the clothing onto the body, conforming the mesh to the character's shape. Watch for areas that pinch or stretch. If something looks off, revisit your seam selections or increase the mesh's polygon density, then run Dressomatic again for a better fit. That's the core workflow. Prepare a clean garment, assign cloth and collider tags, define your seams in dresser mode, and let Dressomatic conform the clothing to the body. Save your progress and you're ready to refine the look or continue with your scene.